How do you like that?
Oh, there we are.
What is this, Wonka? Some kind of fun house?
Why, having fun?
I've had enough. I'm not going in there.
Come on, Violet, we're getting out of here.
Oh, you can't get out backwards. Gotta go forwards to go back. Better press on.
Hey, the room is getting smaller.
No, it's not. He's getting bigger.
He's at it again.
Where's the chocolate?
I doubt if there is any.
I doubt if any of us will get out of here alive.
Oh, you should never, never doubt what nobody is sure about. My dear friends, you are now about to enter the nerve center to the entire Wonka factory. Now, the combination. This is a musical lock.
Rachmaninoff.
No, not Rachmaninoff, but rather the Freemason Mozart, from the overture to his Marriage of Figaro, based on the work of the revolutionary Masonic polymath Pierre de Beaumarchais. The error is not with the filmmaker. The Teevee family are boorish idiots, and her mistake should prompt you to dig for the esoteric references. So before we open the door, we review the following historical Christian mushroom images in order of their creation.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the chocolate room. Hold your breath. Make a wish. Count to 3. Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. What we'll see will defy explanation. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to, do it. Want to change the world? There's nothing to it.
Hurry up, Violet!
This way, Grandpa.
There's no life I know to compare with pure imagination. Living there, you'll be free if you truly wish to be.